I don't know why I am buying all these perfumes. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about perfume, and the brand that I am going to talk about is Bella Vita. And let me just get it clear right from the beginning. None of the products that I am going to show here today, none of the Bella Vita perfumes that I'm going to show you today are sponsored. Each and every perfume that I will be sharing here today is my own collection. I actually love to buy perfume, try out different perfumes. I have purchased a lot of perfumes from Bella Vita. Actually, there is a store nearby my home where I get a lot of my perfumes from there only, and also some of the perfumes I have ordered online as well. If you have more perfumes you want me to try, definitely put it in my comment section, because I love to try perfumes. I have bought so many perfumes. If you see my perfume collection, it's like crazy. I don't know why I am buying all these perfumes. Okay, so let's get started with my first perfume in my collection, the perfume that started it all. This is their Bella Vita Date perfume for women. So this one I actually purchased in the year 2024, and I think in March or something. And this is the first perfume that I have bought from Bella Vita, and as you guys can see, it is completely done. So this is the Date perfume for women. It is a 100 ml bottle, and as you guys can see, this is completely finished. The top notes are pink pepper and red fruit with a heart note of jasmine, orange and violet. The base notes are moss, musk and powdery vanilla. This is a fragrance, a combination of floral, violet and woody, musky kind of smell. The fragrance is good for young women, age 18 to 25, but the only issue is it doesn't last very long. It lasts only up to an hour or so. The bottle lasted me only 2 to 3 months of regular use. I would rate this 3 out of 5, mainly because it doesn't last long, but the fragrance is quite good, and it is priced at 549 rupees on their website. Next, I have this perfume set with 4 perfumes, each 20 ml. This is a unisex set, with 2 fragrances suitable for women and 2 fragrances suitable for men. The first one is White Oud, citrusy top note, spicy heart note, and a bit of woody base note as well. This is actually my favorite one in the set, and the bottle is completely done, guys. I have used it up completely. This perfume actually lasted quite long on my skin, for about 3 to 4 hours, and lingers longer on the cloth. The woody note is actually very overpowering in this perfume. This can be used by women in their late 20s and 30s. Now the second perfume in the set is Honey Oud, with honey and bergamot top notes, oud at its heart, and sweet woody vanilla at its base note. This is somewhat a sweet fragrance. This is mentioned as an unisex perfume on their website, but it's more suitable for women in their 20s or 30s. The perfume will last you somewhere around 2 hours on your skin, but it does not last on cloth at all. Now this perfume is good. It smells quite good, but it does not last long. Now the third one in the set is Sky Aquatic. This has fresh citrusy top notes with marine at its heart and woody base note. To be honest, this smells like an aftershave for men, so it is totally a men's fragrance, especially for gym wear or a day out. This does not smell unique. You can get this type of fragrance everywhere for men actually. So yeah, very basic perfume from Bella Vita actually. Now this will last on your skin for about an hour or so. The last one in the set is Fresh Unisex perfume. Now this has a citrusy top note, floral heart note, and fresh marine base note. Now this one is again less intense fragrance of the Sky Aquatic. Smells like a men's cologne or aftershave actually, so it is totally a men's fragrance. Again, not my favorite fragrance, but this one can be very suitable for gym wear actually, for an activity, and it lasts around 1 hour on your skin. Now this set I would rate a 4 out of 5 for the first 2 fragrances for women, and 2 out of 5 for the last 2 perfume for men. This set retails for around 499 on their website. I purchased this from the nearest mall actually. Okay, so let's move on to another set, guys. I ordered this from Bella Vita website last month, and this is actually my least favorite set. There are 420 ml perfumes here, and the set retails for 499 rupees. The first one in the set is Pure Musk, floral top notes, woody heart notes, and gourmand base note. This has an overpowering sandalwood fragrance. I am not a fan of this perfume, but this will last up to 2 hours on your skin. Now, do not confuse this with White Out. This is a different fragrance than the White Out actually, and this one I will rate around 2 out of 5 because I am not a fan of this fragrance. This does not smell that good. It has more alcohol smell than actually the fragrance. Now the next one in the set is Devil Unisex Perfume. This is a spicy perfume, can be used by both men and women actually. This is good for nighttime use, best for winters. It has a spicy top note, gourmand heart note, and woody base note. This will last somewhere around 2 hours on your skin in the winter days actually. This I will actually rate 3 out of 5, quite good for men. Next I have Narco. This has a bergamot top note, jasmine and orange heart note, and white musk and sandalwood base note. This is more of a men's perfume and it is quite suitable for nighttime wear. It smells good for any men in their 30s, and again this will last you up to 2 hours guys at the nighttime use, and it is very good for men actually. I love this perfume. This I will rate 4 out of 5 for any men. Now the last one in the set is Night Fever, fruity orange and bergamot top note, peach and forest berries heart note, and musk vanilla amber base note. This one I like for men. This smells good on any man. This will last a good 2 hours. This entire set is extremely perfect for men. I would rate the entire set 4 out of 5 for men actually. This is wonderful for men. If you are looking for a good perfume set, this is for you, get it. However, this set is not for women, not suitable for women, even though it specifies as unisex perfume. Now finally I have the most talked about set everywhere nowadays, the Mood Collection gift set. The packaging is very good and there are 3 15 ml perfumes here. The quality of the perfume bottle are quite cheaper as compared to the other perfumes from Bella Vita. This is retailing for 549 rupees. So let's get started with the first one guys. So this is the Fantasy fragrance, my favorite one in the set. This has saffron, orange, pink pepper as top note, jasmine, rose, cinnamon at its heart note, plus it has moss, musk, patchouli and cedarwood as base notes. This is a great fragrance for women for nighttime party wear. This truly smells seductive and amazing. This is a bit long lasting as compared to the other fragrances from Bella Vita that I have tried so far. It lasts up to 4 hours on your skin and on your cloth, and it smells so good. It has a powdery woody vanilla kind of smell that smells so good, and I will definitely rate it 4 out of 5. This is a great fragrance. If you want to buy this, it is highly recommended by me. Now the next one in the set is Alpha. This has mandarin orange, bergamot and orange blossom as top note, jasmine, lavender, rose, violet at its heart note, patchouli, musk, vanilla at its base note. Now this one is not my favorite. This one I do not like that much because it does not last long on our skin, last up hardly about 1 hour, and it does not smell that good as well. I will rate it about 2 out of 5 guys. Now the last one is Magnetic in the set. It has almond, cherry and lychee top note, rose, jasmine and yang yang at its heart note, caramel, tonka bean, vanilla at its base note. This one is kind of okay fragrance, can be skipped. You do not just have to have it. All these 3 perfumes are better suitable for nighttime party uses for women or a date night. The Fantasy perfume is really good, but the other 2, the Alpha and Magnetic, can be very easily skipped. You don't necessarily want to have it. And the entire set I will rate around 3 out of 5, but the Fantasy one I will rate 4 out of 5 because it is an amazing perfume guys. So that's all for my entire Bella Vita perfume collection, guys. Do let me know if you have any other perfume for me to try out. I would love to try any perfume, guys. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and my review of all these perfumes has been helpful to you guys. Choose the right perfume for you. If you are looking to buy something, you can find it relatable. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. I will catch you all next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.